Boston and cities around the world face a daunting set of challenges in the coming years. Globalization, rapid urbanization, and growing economic competition among cities will continue to pressure us to do more with less, and with every step cities take, great impacts are felt by the environment. With the Go Carbon Neutral Challenge, we are presented with the monumental task of developing strategies and solutions for reducing greenhouse gases produced by Boston's transportation systems. This proposal does so by introducing alternatives to private vehicle, where we expect to see a paradigm shift during the next 30 years in how we view car ownership with the advent of self-driving cars. Our proposal includes a system of publicly owned self-driving vehicles that operate in parallel with each other, communicating with each other and using computer algorithms to determine the optimal routes with the rider's convenience, traffic flow, and vehicle efficiency in mind. The system is envisioned to use specially designed vehicles that can drive between 4 and 10 riders who plan their trip through their phone or hail rides at public stops. Pricing would be variable with incentives to transfer at subway stops, where efficiency is still greater on a per-passenger basis. This proposal keeps in mind that we as humans prefer convenience. While we are creating a nearly carbon-free system, we are also creating one of the most convenient alternatives to our current system of private vehicles. The existing alternatives with larger buses or trains are great for large and high-demand trips, but do little to solve last-mile inefficiencies and accessibility issues. This proposal covers those losses. As envisioned, this program will start off small, with a few dozen vehicles operating across the region in mixed traffic. Slowly, as public trust in technology grows, we can expect the system to grow to thousands of vehicles. Research tells us we can see a reduction of 40 to over 75% of vehicles off our streets by 2050. On a per-passenger basis, this system decreases emissions by over 84% and eventually drops close to zero when we power our grid with cleaner energy sources in the coming decades. All things considered, we see this not only as a convenient and carbon-neutral alternative to Boston's transportation systems, but as an opportunity to increase the quality of life in our cities dramatically. While this proposal may be thinking big, in the rich history of Boston, we have never taken the bare minimum for an answer. We have the opportunity now to take the necessary steps toward a carbon-free transportation system and toward a brighter, cleaner, and better future for Boston. Thank you.